Hey tribe, Dawna here with Transformational Healing, and today we are going to explore the water shrine at Brushwood Folklore Center and talk a little bit about the element of water. The water shrine, like all of the other shrines to the elements here at Brushwood, is situated on the main field in the direction of west. And with all the blue around me, I know that you can guess that the color associated with water is blue. Water is also associated with the tarot with the cups. So it's all about emotions. So let's visit the water shrine. A quick little aside is that the water shrine is situated behind the Beltane pole or the May Day pole, and this year's pole is about 1/3 of the size that it normally is, but it was done as a private family ceremony this year, the family that owns the land, as none of us were allowed to be. So the water shrine is all about emotions and cleansing and healing and all of those healing energies that water brings. Water is the birth of life. Water is the blood that flows through you. And so instead of a garden here, we have a shell garden. A beautiful shell garden that has a little bit of grass growing in it that we need to weed out. It comes back so fast. But it's right back here near the pond where we discovered a lot of the herbs that we talked about on our first and second summer weed walk. So we also have an upright boat that has many symbols of water, many symbols of healing, and people leave offerings here as well. When you are in the need to have cleansing done, it's so easy to cleanse yourself with water. It's easy to go into the shower and just let that water connect straight from the center of the universe and ground out at your feet. And just let that water cleanse anything that did not burn away with the fire, or anything that you can't burn away with fire right now. Let it heal you. Let it soothe you. Let it rock you. But sometimes water is turmoil. So when you are off balance with the water element, you may feel not the passionate anger of fire, but that turning emotionalness and just really feeling off inside. Water is hurricanes. Water is water spouts. Water is crashing waves that erode. The rain even erodes. So water can wash away things that we no longer need. Water can bring us healing. Water fills us. We are mostly made of water. So take some time, be mindful, and think about how you can incorporate water and what you need to do besides just drinking water to incorporate water into your daily life. Be mindful about making sure you do drink water. Be mindful about how you use water. Do you save your water and water your plants? Or do you waste water? Just some things to think about as you are allowing yourself to heal using the energy of water. So that is the water shrine and the element of water here at Brushwood. And we are going to move on Thursday of this week to visit the Earth Shrine. So I hope that you will join us then. And if you missed air and fire from last week, make sure that you go check them out as well. Many blessings, tribe. I hope you have a wonderful week.